It was just black cloud coming, 6-8 kilometers up in the air, and we could see the rocks coming out of the eruption, flying some kilometers up in the air.
The Icelandic volcano, Eyjafjallajökull, caused worldwide chaos when it erupted in spring 2010. An enormous ash cloud from the volcano spread over Europe, resulting in tens of thousands of cancelled flights. Iceland's climate is a challenge for the Volvo construction machines working on different projects in the country. The Eyjafjallajökull harbour project, next to the volcano, is one of them. Project manager Eyjafjallajökull and his co-workers at the Suðurvík construction company were caught in the middle of the eruption.
We're building a harbour area for the ferry between Westman Island and the mainland. We have finished the breakwater on the east side.
The harbour is part of a new ferry system in the region that will simplify the lives of thousands of people on the Westman Islands on Iceland's southern coast. The company, Suðurvík, has been a Volvo customer for several years. Volvo construction vehicles and Volvo trucks played an important role in the project.
We have good experience with Volvo and good dealer. Those Volvo machines we have are very economic.
The eruption came as a surprise. The volcano had been inactive for almost 200 years. Suðurvík's camp and hundreds of people from the area had to be immediately evacuated. A tidal wave of snowmelt flooded the worksite, and the enormous ash cloud made it impossible to tell day from night. But Øystein and his team were not scared away. While the air traffic in the world stood still, they continued working at the foot of the volcano.
The volcano it's about 15 kilometers away from here. We didn't have to stop the work at any time because the wind direction was favorable for us. So the only problems we had at this time was the flood going from the glacier to where our camp was.
Það allt í lagi sko. Þetta venst, en það svona svolítið spenna stundum þegar kemur öskufall og svona erfitt fyrir marga.
Despite the tough climate, the volcanic eruption, and the large amount of ash in the air, the vehicles have worked without a problem.
We have no problems with the conditions it's working in. We of course have to change filters more frequently, but there's been no problems at all.
Against all odds, Iceland's biggest construction project in 2 years is expected to be completed on time. Towards the end of the project, Volvo Construction Equipment's grader played an important role in building the new road to the harbour.
We wouldn't finish without them. They are quite important for us.